Students, how are you? I am also well. Sit down, please. By the way, we will know about what are you doing? What are you doing? আচ্ছা আমি আমি কি করব? আমি হচ্ছে তোমাদেরকে দুইজনকে এখানে ডেকে নিব। ঠিক আছে, একজন এসে প্রশ্ন করবে হোয়াট ইজ হি ডুইং অথবা হোয়াট ইজ শি ডুইং, আর তোমরা অ্যানসার করবা যে সে কি করছে, হি ইজ ড্যান্সিং না হি ইজ স্কিপিং না হি ইজ রানিং। ওকে, একজন তাহলে প্রথমে আমি ডাকবো, তুমি আসো, তুমি আসো। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। স্টার্ট নাস। হ্যাঁ,
What is he doing? He is dancing. What is he doing? He is dancing. What is he doing? He is dancing.
thank you. Clap everybody. Look at Spita.
What is she doing? She is singing. What is she doing? She is singing.
Thank you very much. Okay.
What is he doing? He is dancing. What is he doing? He is dancing. What is he doing? He is dancing. What is he doing? He is dancing.
Okay,
What is he doing? What is he doing? He is eating banana. What is he doing? He is banana.
okay, thank you.
What is he doing? He is playing cricket. What is he doing? He is playing cricket.
Thank you very much. Start.
What is he doing? He is swimming. What is he doing? He is swimming.
Thank you very much. Okay.
What is she doing? He is swimming. What is she doing? He is swimming.
Thank you. Clap.
What is she doing? What is she doing?
Okay, thank you very much. No.
What is she doing? She is swimming. What is she doing? She is swimming.
Thank you. Come on.
What is he doing? He is dancing. What is he doing? He is dancing.
He is planting paddy. Okay, thank you very much.
What are they doing? What are they doing?
Okay, what are they doing? They are dancing. Thank you very much. Oh, very nice dance. Okay, now everybody make a big clap.